All right, I have the Beelink S12 Pro mini PC. I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing and show you guys everything that comes inside. And I'm also curious to see here if it did come with a HDMI cable or not. Let's get it opened up. All right, so right away you have your owner's manual. And that's under this foam. That is the PC. All right, it's very compact. Couldn't be much bigger than the size of my hand there. All right, and let's see what comes in the accessories box here. All right, looks like we got some cables in here. All right, you got your power supply. You have, yeah, an HDMI cable. That looks to be about a 3-foot long cable there. We have another, let's see, is that a USB? No, that's an HDMI cable. That's a really short one. That couldn't be much longer than a foot, maybe even less. Then we have a mounting bracket if you want to mount it on the back of a monitor or a TV with some mounting hardware. All right, that looks like that's everything that came inside. Let's do a quick look around on the PC. It looks like you have two USB ports in the front, the power button, and a headphone jack. Come around to the back here. You have two HDMI ports. That's your power input here. Then you have a, for wired internet, you have a LAN port there. And then it looks like you have two USB ports in the back here. All right. So everything that came with the Beelink S12 Pro mini PC, you have the PC, owner's manual, power supply, two HDMI cables, and mounting bracket and hardware. There you go. That's everything that came with the Beelink S12 Pro mini PC.